Hi, my name is Parker Butchko with Tempo Communications, and today we're going to be using the Tempo torque driver to secure the lid to the DFE 100, the drop fiber cable enclosure kit. So this right here is our drop fiber enclosure kit. When you receive, you obviously take the top off and install your fiber. Once your fiber has installed and you have followed the instructions correctly, we will place the top back on and we'll move right over to our Paladin torque driver to secure the bolts. Here with the Paladin torque driver, we will open it up. It has a blow mold case and a few different bits for you. We will follow the instructions on the drop fiber enclosure kit and set this for 8 inch-pounds. So we will see here, we have it set at 7.5 inch-pounds at the moment. So we're going to adjust by 0.5 inch-pounds. So we are now at 8 inch-pounds. Once we have sent our torque driver to 8 inch-pounds, we're going to head and follow the pattern from the manual of the DFE 100. So we're going to start with the screw in the center here. And we aren't going to fully screw it in. We're going to just leave it a little loose. And then we'll continue through the DFE in the specified order. Now that we have tightened them down, we're going to torque them down until this clicks at 8 inch-pounds. Right there. And once again, we'll just torque through in the exact same order. There we go. That is how you properly set up the DFE 100 using the new Tempo torque driver. For more information, check out tempocom.com. For tech support or other inquiries, contact 800-642-2155.